Hi, this is Mike Bjorkman. Thanks so much for watching Minute with Mike here on SCV TV. Today we're with Eric Mitchell from Priority Financial Network, and amazing opportunities he's bringing to us today. This is going to be segment 2 of 3, where today we're talking about buying a home right after a short sale. Now, I know everybody's going like this, what? We haven't really heard about this too much. That's why, as always, I want to bring you guys things that are unbelievable and things that are actually doable, and interview people that are actually closing escrows in real life here with me. So say hi, Eric. And
hey, guys.
Let's just jump right into it. Sure. How on earth are we able to buy a home one day after the close of a short sale?
We've created a portfolio mortgage program where we are now comfortable, as long as you qualify for the next home with a 20% down payment, that you can buy the next home one day after a short sale as long as you don't default during your short sale. It used to be the rule that you would have to default to be able to qualify for a short sale, and that's not the rule anymore.
Right.
Using a good listing agent and a good team, you can do a short sale, not default, make your payments during the short sale, and buy another home the very next day. And it's exciting being able to offer that to clients that qualify.
Right. So let's point out a couple things. Obviously, we still have to keep our credit good.
Yes.
We can't default on our cars and credit cards
Right.
and all that. So we have to be what we would call a normal homeowner going through the process.
Yes.
And you're right, with a good team, we can definitely negotiate short sales while you're still making your payments. That's a great thing. Now, everybody watching is going to be, there's some catches, and we got to be honest with our viewers. What are the catches? What are the pros? What are the cons? Now, we already heard 20% down payment.
Yes.
So it's going to be interesting to have people 20% down payment for the next home doing a short sale. Can this down payment be a gift?
No.
Can it be 401k?
It can, if it's your own funds, it can. If you're going to do a loan against your 401k, as long as you qualify with the new loan payments on the 401k, that's fine. It needs to be your own funds. I mean, really, the person this is for is that homeowner that is not in trouble. Right. They're fine financially, but they're underwater. They bought a house for $600,000 and they took out a $550,000 mortgage, and now that house is worth $400,000. But they've still got a $550,000 mortgage. Right. But they can afford the $550,000 mortgage. They just don't like that they're paying a $550,000 mortgage on a $400,000 house. Well, that person now can list their home with you, go through the short sale process, buy a $400,000 house, same square footage down the street, stay in the same neighborhood, keep their kids in the same school district, not ruin their credit, and get out from being underwater now, instead of making a mortgage payment for 5-7 years to get back up to 0 7 years from now. They can get there today.
Right. So me always playing devil's advocate, if you do a short sale, so many people think this is going to drastically reduce their FICO score.
Has no effect on their FICO scores.
Okay, that's the point I wanted to get across.
And I'm going to email you so that you can provide to your clients a credit scoring booklet. Okay. How FICO scores are calculated so that they can feel assured that that's the case. What hurts your credit score in a short sale is when you default.
Right.
When you stop making your payments.
Yeah, if you're not making your payments.
If you're not making your payments, that's what hurts your credit. The short sale is not what hurts your credit. That's not calculated into your FICO scores.
Right.
So it does not hurt your credit from that standpoint at all.
And just so we all know, we're legitimate with the new bank telling them we just short sold, right?
Absolutely, fully disclosed.
Right?
And we're literally processing your new mortgage while you're short selling your existing home, fully disclosing that you're going through the short sale. And so we're sending the closing documents to escrow, you're signing the new closing documents. We're just not funding the new loan until your existing home closes. But you can move from your house to the next house the very next day.
Right. So as far as qualifying, it's same as conventional. There's
Absolutely.
no difference. It's same ratios, same FICO scores. Nobody's gonna ding you on points, ding you on this.
No,
that,
there's no points. We don't charge any points. And really, truthfully, and this is where it gets really, really exciting, is when you're representing them on the listing, when they're selling their house, your services are actually free to the homeowner because you're getting paid by the lender on the short sale. And when they buy their next house, you're free again because you're getting paid by the seller on the next house. So this entire process is completely free to your client that's going through this. There's absolutely no cost to it on top of that.
For me for free.
Yeah,
So,
I mean, it's
so you
it's
have
a
14
true win.
years of lending experience, 23 years of real estate experience, all fighting for you to do the same thing, which is great results, and you don't have to pay. I love
incredible.
this country.
It's
so I'm excited about that too.
It is exciting.
That's really amazing. Yeah. Okay, so there's going to be questions. How do our folks get a hold of you?
Best way to reach me, toll free, 888-696-1344. You can listen to the prompts, or my direct extension is 729.
That's awesome. And again, I'm Mike Bjorkman. My cell phone is 661-212-8075. For the rentals, scvleasing.com. For the sales, SantaClaritaRealEstate.com or .info. And again, thanks for watching Minute with Mike here on SCV TV. Thanks. Have a great day.